Hi there folks, I've just received my new Milwaukee compact brushless drill diver, CBL DD. I believe in America it has a number like 2701, 2702 or something. Seems to be a bit different out here in this market in Australia, but anyway, I bought this one from Tools Warehouse. They didn't sponsor or anything, I just bought this because I'm sort of at that age where I figure I don't need to buy crap anymore, so I plumped for the Milwaukee. See, it was $300 for the kit. That is the CBL DD 302C M18. It's not the fuel, but then I'm only a handyman, so don't really need to worry about that. Comes in a nice case. Hope you can see that. I can't see the front of the iPad. Anyway, we'll pop her out, have a quick look. Yeah, this is $300. I put it on Afterpay, so it's $75 a fortnight to pay it back. I don't know, I didn't need to put it on Afterpay. I just think that if something like that's there for you, might as well use it. These new M18s. The button here, that one says she's flat. This one here, it says she's also flat, so it looks like they'll be going straight on the charge. Seems to have a good bit of go in her anyway. I like the fact it's got a light. The ones I was using at work had that. It's a nice short one. You find when you're building things, yeah, sometimes you've got to get in and do that. It comes with the charger, so yeah, that's about it. So look, it's Milwaukee. I have no doubt that it's going to be really good. I'm going to get myself some proper shockwave bits and stuff for it. I've got a set of Sutton drills I've had for about 20 years that are still holding up. I just get sharpened every now and again, so they're all good. And anyway, that's what you get from that kit for Tools Warehouse for $300. It did take 2 weeks to get here. I think they get it from the manufacturer and they send it on with Star Trek, but that's not such a drama. So anyway, if you're interested, you know where to get them.